Do you know the phrase dirt nap in English? It's a funny way to say someone has died. Let's learn it.
With so many horrible people in the world who should be taking a big dirt nap, why quit now?
Dirt nap is a slang term for death or dying. It's a humorous way to talk about something that's not so funny.
How should I give this guy and the kid a dirt nap?
Good look, lady. Because the only thing I'm ready for is a dirt nap.
I'm so tired. I could take a dirt nap right now. My grandpa took a dirt nap last week.
And you go down for the dirt nap.